Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to be doing my skincare routine and I'm just going to take you guys along with me. All the products that I'm going to be using tonight are going to be from the Natural As I Wanna Be brand. And yeah, to start the routine, of course, the first thing I'm going to do is get my hair out of my face. So then I'm gonna go in and wash my hands to make sure that they are free of anything else on my hair so that I don't put those on my face. Proceed. So now I am going to, I'm going to do as the steps say on this handy dandy little card, just to make sure that I'm using all of them properly. So for the cleanser, you're gonna want to use it on damp face. So I'm just gonna like wet my face. So I'm gonna do, I did 2 pumps of the cleanser onto the sponge. Now I'm going to go in and rinse. So I'm going to pat dry my face. Okay, so after you've cleansed your face and you like pat dry it, now we're ready to proceed to look in the mirror. So now we're ready to proceed to the next step, which is going to be your toner. Natural As I Wanna Be has got me covered and they got my back. So yeah, so after toning, after cleansing, now we are going to be moving into using the moisturizer. So it looks like something that will almost melt into the skin. And because I want to utilize technically everything that I was sent, I'm going to use the little spoon to get some.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.
Let's get it. Let's really get into the skin though. Like that glow is amazing. Like this stuff is amazing. The consistency is top tier. This is like a 10 out of 10 product for me. Yeah, look at yours. So that's all I really do. And then your girl is ready for bed. But what's a natural girl without her bonnet? You know, it's very important to establish. So yeah. So now that I've like completely did my skincare routine and everything like that, like guys, bask in the healthy glowy skin that you see in front of you. Just like talking about my overall first take on the products and everything, I love them. I do love them, and I'm wondering why you haven't copped yours yet. They're amazing. The product, with them being a clean brand, anyone can use this product on their skin, so I love that. So yeah, they have different lines. This one is just the original, anyone can use it. Great for sensitive skin, you know. Do that real nice glow that we all need for the summertime, and it still protects the skin from anything harsh, and it's simple enough for anyone to do it. Make sure you guys go cop yours. That's my little skincare nighttime routine. what you're gonna do. For me, I'm gonna get ready for bed. But yeah, natural as I wanna be, go get yours. Go get yours because I got mine. Okay? Okay.